Today you'll get to meet Advocate Capital client Michael Cowen. Well, Michael, thanks for joining us today and thanks for being our client.
Oh, thank you for having me as a customer. It's been a great experience.
Terrific. Well, thanks for sharing with our viewers what it's like to be an Advocate Capital client. How has it impacted your practice?
Oh, it's been an incredible shot in the arm for the practice. It's really finally, for the first time in my career, we have the capital to do the cases the way they need to be done. I'm working less, but we've doubled our revenue, gross revenue for the firm. But more importantly, I've got more than a 500% increase in my personal revenue this year from my best year before Advocate. It just really has totally freed us up to really focus on the bigger cases, push them hard, not be afraid to do everything we need to do and get maximum value in every case.
Exactly, and that's what we have heard time and time again from other clients. Some prospective clients worry that the pass-through of borrowing costs is going to be a negative impact on their clients. What would you say to that?
It actually hasn't been on my cases. You know, we think about which cases we use Advocate on, to be honest. I mean, we make sure it's a case that can justify the cost. But that being said, you know, we usually don't have a problem because the amount of extra value we can add to the cases by doing them correctly is much greater. And the other thing is, you know, our clients aren't going out, you know, and going to other sources for medical treatment, for client loans. We're able to do that in-house, and that's actually saved the clients tons of money.
Sure. Absolutely. I know Texas is one of the states you can do that in. That's fantastic. Well, other prospective law firm clients tell us they don't want to be a client of ours because their clients are going to object to the pass-through of borrowing costs. Have your clients objected?
Not at all. It's just not been an issue with the clients. People in this world don't expect to be able to borrow money for free without interest. There's nowhere else in the world that happens, and they don't expect it to happen here. And frankly, the Advocate interest rates are far less than the credit card interest rates and other interest rates my clients are used to paying.
Yeah, good point. Well, lastly, some prospective clients tell us, well, your product sounds great, but I don't need the money. What would you tell someone who said that?
Well, you always need the money for something. We've used the money to grow the law firm by having more lawyers and fewer cases per lawyer. We're actually turning cases more quickly and getting more money per case because we're able to pay attention to them more. I certainly like the fact that I am fully funding my kids' college years and years before they're going to go to college, that I'm earning money in the market for my retirement already. So I have lots of uses for money other than funding cases and lending it out interest-free.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to share that. We appreciate you as a client, but we also appreciate the important work you do in your community to make your community and really the entire world a safer place.
Well, thank you so much.
Take care, Mike.